Stefan's investing tips for beginners. Super awesome. Before the video starts, make sure you hit the subscribe bell button, turn on post notifications, leave a like, and comment down your favorite part in the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Learn&Succeed. Here are Graham Stephan's investing tips for beginners. Number 8. Learn about where your money is being invested isn't difficult work. And most of the time, a quick Google or YouTube search answers everything you need to know, especially when it comes to hard-earned money. It's worth it to spend an hour of researching, learning about your investment and whether or not you have the right opinion for you. Number 7. There's not one single investment that doesn't carry some level of risk and some small chance of losing money. Even if it's a fraction of a percentage of a chance happening, nothing is ever certain and nothing is ever guaranteed. But comfortable knowing that there might be a small degree or risk in order to make money. The more you understand this, the better you will be investor and the better you will be at managing that risk. Number 6, the reality is that in short term, we have less certainty about what's going to happen. Prices could go down, markets could act irrationally, and there is a chance of losing money. But generally, the longer you invest, the lower your chances are of losing money. This is because the longer you invest, the more likely you are to whether go down or up periods of time and come out ahead in the green. Number 5. When it comes to investing, you need to invest consistently over time on autopilot. It doesn't mean you need to be more actively involved all the time, but you will need to consistently remember to set aside a portion of income every month that goes into your investment fund. Number 4. When it comes to investing, understand this concept. $1 saved is worth $1.50 earned. In order for you to have $1 right in your pocket, you will most likely need to make about $1.50 from a job before paying taxes and before consuming costs and before other job expenses. We haven't considered just for you to have $1 left over after taxes. Number 3. In each of his videos, Graham starts by asking the viewers to like the video if we want to see what it's like. And then he just flat out tells us the YouTube algorithm reward interactive content. So if we want to support his videos, like them. The thumbnail in his videos have a silly face and he is upfront and says that he does the silly faces for clicks. He's actively trying to engage a bigger audience even before they click the thumbnail on his video. He lets you know why he does everything. This is a reference change from other online gurus who often act like they have a super secret power or a mystery black box or manipulative marketing techniques. Graham is more low-key. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, why not help me out with a like? Number 2. While most finance gurus out of there record themselves talking into a laptop camera in their plain home office, Graham Stephan's videos have high-end produced value. He even started creating YouTube videos for fun because he enjoyed the camera work and video editing, and he was spending about 40 to 50 hours per week marketing videos, even though they weren't making money. You can tell that Stephan puts a lot of thought into the creative side of YouTube. His videos have slick editing and clever cuts, and even if he just records a video of himself on a laptop, his kitchen, or home office, he uses intriguing camera angles and soundtracks to make the video entertaining. Number 1. You know how so many financial business and gurus are slick talkers who paper their speeches with facile words and BS? Graham is not like that. When he makes factual statements, he will show supporting evidence. And with other options, he provides logic behind them. He is really quite self-exaggerating and open about his own mistakes and suggestion and learning experience. He opens his own value. He has a video where he talks about struggling with social anxiety. Perhaps most importantly, he will show the math behind his success. For example, in this video on how he became a millionaire by the age of 26 by working real estate, He explains step by step how he got the start in the real estate industry, why he decided to skip college, how he built relationships with the real estate agents, and how he has a nickel in the market on where he could make money when he was just young. He gradually started making sales and big marketing compensations on millions of dollars home, and how he started investing in his own real estate properties. He shares his real numbers at every step of the way, and he believes it because he is not engaged. He is not being shady, he's just being real. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on the screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.